Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Zintathu izinto ezibulala iSouth Africa ngake ngazibala ngaphambilini: i-crime, ama-drugs nama-politicians. Izona zinto ezibulala i-country lezo. And uma ngabe abantu beyenza kahle crime basuke besebenzisana nalabo basemthethweni. Sizofunda udaba la lendoda eboshiwe ngokuzenza iloya. Siphinde sibheke udaba lesibili lamasosha aboshiwe. Bese sibheke udaba lesithathu lamanye amadoda asekhona. Bese siyayivala le video ngoba inhloso yami ngifuna ukuthi kube i-video ende. Kodwa nje ukuthi sikhulume ngalezi zinto ngoba izinto ezisithintayo njengabantu abaphila eSouth Africa. I-crime affecta thina. So uma kukhona okwenziwayo okulwa necrime kufanele sikhulume ngakho. Ngiyazi siyakhuluma kakhulu ngento ezirong ezenziwa ngamaphoyisa futhi ezinye zazo siyazibona. Kodwa ngiyakuthanda kule channel ukuthi sikuveze nokwenziwa ngamaphoyisa. Ukuze noma i-institution ekwi-SAPS singayethembi kodwa kube khona ukuthi bakhona bona abantu aba-right laphaya. South African National Defence Force ikhiphe le statement ngomhla ka-17 September 2025 ngolesithathu. Isihloko sithi SANDF members arrested in intelligence-led operation in Musina, Limpopo. Sifundeka kanje. The South African National Defence Force confirmed the arrest of 5 of its members together with 2 foreign nationals following an intelligence-led operation in Musina, Limpopo province on the morning of the 16th of September 2025. A case of corruption, possession of illicit cigarette, unlawful discharge of firearm, and defeating the ends of justice has been registered with Musina, South Africa Police Service. The 5 members and 2 foreign nationals will appear in the Musina Magistrate Court on the 18th of September 2025. The South African National Defence Force view the allegations in the very serious light. Such conduct undermines the integrity of the Defence Force and the trust placed in its members by the Republic of South Africa. The South African National Defence Force reiterates its zero-tolerance stance on corruption, smuggling and misconduct within its ranks. Any member found to be acting in contravention of the law will face the full consequences of both military and civilian justice system. Kubashubela. Labantu laba bebefaka ugwayi lokuthiwa ukho semthethweni, ibhamu, ibona bebesimaglisha ukuze zingene. Buka manje sebephelelwe imisebenzi, sebebhekane nokuboshwa ke manje. Impilo yabo yonke imoshekile for ideal nje. Yebo yona mhlawumbe bebafakela imali esheshayo. Kodwa manje umoshakalile career ye-Defence Force. Labantu esithembe bona ukuthi kufuneka bavikele izwe. Kahle sekufuneka abantu mabengena kule misebenzi, ikakhulukazi isiphoyisa or i-Defence Force, bangene ngoba vele inhloso yabo kukuseva umphakathi. Siyazi sonke imali siyayidinga, kodwa kungcono imali oyithola uyisebenzele. Futhi ke ayikho imali okuthiwa enough ngoba noma umuntu okhona ungamholela i-million rand ngaba watshontsha ama-politicians ukuba imali yaba enough. Kodwa nje buka manje lo muntu bamosha impilo yabo, bazimoshele bona ikusasa labo. Yane asidlulele phambili. Lunye udaba bengazange ngelikhave ilelo luthi ama-2 foreign nationals omunye una 30 omunye una 39 bavelile eThabazimbi Magistrate Court ngomsombuluko wangomhla ka-15 for ukutholakala nensango eworth 1.5 million kanye nama-contravention of medicines and related substances njengoba ubona kwi-screen sakho. Udaba lakhona-ke lihlehliselwe umhla ka-22 ngomsombuluko ukuze bawuvela bawufaka isicelo sabo sebhayili. Lezi zinto lezi bebengeke bangene laba ama-foreign nationals kube bebengasebenzisani namasosha noma namaphoyisa. Sengathi bangangayithola ibheli ngoba basimoshela izwe lethu. South Africa yethu ekhululekile bayayimosha. Le nsango bekufuneka ibhenywe zingane zobani. Nale mithi engaka bebeyenzani kahle kahle. Nasengathi labantu bangangayithola ibheli ngoba basimoshela le South Africa yethu ekhululekile. Ngiyafisa nje ukuthi ngomsombuluko bangayithola ibheli. Udaba lesithathu esizolibheka lwalensizwa le ebizenza lawyer. Isihloko salo sithi Rustenburg imposter sentenced to 20 years imprisonment for posing as a lawyer. Lufundeka kanje. The Rustenburg Magistrates Court has sentenced imposter Kagiso Josias Selomane on 45 years to 20 years direct imprisonment for 9 counts of fraud for posing as a lawyer. Investigations revealed that between 2011 and 2015, Selomane masqueraded as a legal practitioner in court across the Northwest and Johannesburg. He misled victims into believing that he was a qualified lawyer who could represent them in divorce and labor matters, and even pretended to be an executor of major bank. His modus operandi was to demand upfront payment for legal services that he never provided. In some cases, he duped clients into sitting in an empty courtroom, claiming their cases had been postponed, while in reality, no proceedings had been scheduled over the 4 years. Selomane siphoned off more than 1 million from unsuspecting victims. He was arrested on the 20th of October 2015 after some victims reported him to the police, although he initially pleaded guilty to only 4 counts of fraud. State advocate Roger Marueme argued that his guilty plea was not genuine, pointing out that he showed no remorse and failed to repay the victims. In delivering the sentence, Magistrate Samuel Mabogo highlighted that the crimes were premeditated and executed over several years, noting that Selomane had previously fraud victims dating back to 2017. The court imposed the following sentences: Count 1, 12 years imprisonment; Count 2, 10 years imprisonment; Count 3, 10 years imprisonment; Count 4, 4 years imprisonment; Count 5, 3 years; Count 6, 4 years; Count 7, 3 years; Count 8, 3 years; Count 9, 5 years. In accordance with Section 280 of Act 51 of 1977, some sentence will run concurrently, resulting in an effective 20-year imprisonment. Selomane was also declared unfit to possess a firearm. Ngathi bantu bakithi singaqaphela ngoba akekho umuntu okadingi lo isimo sihamba kahle. Akekho noyedwa. Kodwa igebengu ziyakwazi ukuthi uthi uhluphekile bakubangela olunye usizo olungaphezulu kwalolo suku nalo. Yingakho ke ngithi sengathi singaqaphela. Siyabonga nje umsebenzi owenziwe la ukuthi aboshwe lo mlisa. Siyawubonga kakhulu umsebenzi owenziwe la. Yabona ke ingakho ngithi asike sikhulume ngalezi zinto ezenziwa ngamaphoyisa. Amaphoyisa asebenza. Kodwa nje ngikhaliswa nayilo amacala. Lo muntu ifaboshwa 2015 kuze khane gwetshwana manje sekuphele 10 years. No sengathi bangazama ukuyilungisa lento ukuthi uma kufike court i-justice system izama ukusheshsha abanye abantu basheshe bathole ongokwabo. Amanye wama victim asezwe mhlawumbe wasekho emhlabeni. Yazi uhamba icala uzukhohlwe nokuthi wawuhamba icala ufuna ubulungiswa. Ngoba phela akhona abantu abangama victim. Kodwa nje buka after 10 years sibonga khona nje ukuthi inkantolo igcina imgwebile for le nto ayiyenza. Kodwa nje ngiyafisa sengathi i-justice system yethu ngathi ukukhathula kwamanye ama case ukuze inkinga njengalezi zisheshe inqandeke. Lezi ndaba bengithi angikulethele zona ngoba ngisho lathi inhloso yami ukuveza ukuthi amaphoyisa ayasebenza. Noma sazi ukuthi amanye corrupt kodwa akusiwo wonke. Okwesibili, namakhothi wethu noma ngikhala ukuthi amanye amacala athatha isikhathi eside. Ngiyavuma-ke kungenxa ye-investigation nento ey'thize kodwa nje sengathi bangazama ukukhathula. Asiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.